Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You're watching the videos on surface area of right circular cone. So in this video, we'll discuss some of the more important questions related to exam, so which are very important from the exam point of view. So you have to watch this part of the video very carefully. So let's get started with the first question, which is question number 1. Now the question says that a conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of the base is 24 meter. So we need to first find the slant height, and then we need to find the cost of canvas required to make a tent, and if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So it's very interesting question, so please watch this part of the video very carefully. So first of all, we need to draw a cone like this, right? So let's say this is a cone, and let's say this is a radius r, and this is a height h, and this is a slant height l, right? So it's given that conical tent is 10 meter height, means h is 10 meters. So you need to be very careful because it's not written it's slant height, so it's written only height, so it is a straight height. So you have to be very careful while seeing the things, right? Now the radius is 24 meter, right? Now first of all, we need to find a slant height. So slant height we can find using Pythagoras theorem. So L square can be written as r square plus h square. So L square is, r square is 24 square plus 10 square. So L square is, now 24 square, we need to do 24 square, which is 576, plus 10 square is 100. So L square is 676. So L can be written as under root 676. So when we take under root of 676, so answer comes out to be 26 meter. So this is how we can find the slant height. So this is the solution to the first part. Or we can write that slant height of the tent is 26 meter. Now the second part is we need to find the cost of canvas required to make a tent. Now when we make a tent, we require a canvas. So canvas will cover only the curved surface area part. So you have to be very careful which part is required, right? So this means first we need to find the curved surface area. So we can write curved surface area of tent or conical tent is pi RL, right? So we can take pi as 22 by 7. So this will be 22 by 7 into R is 24 and L is 26, right? Now, so what's the next step? We need to do 22 times 24 times 26. So this will come out to be 13,728 divided by 7. So when we divide this number by 7, so let's say the answer will come out to be 1,961.1428, right? Now it would be better if we don't divide and leave this like this, right? Because we need to find the cost of canvas required. So we can say that next step, the cost of canvas required at the rate of 70 per meter square will be equals to 13,728 upon 7 times 70, right? So this and this will cancel. So this comes out to be 10. So this will be 137,280, or we can say that it's 1,37,280 rupees. So this is the cost of canvas required to make a conical tent. So this is how we can use the concepts of cone to find the solution to various types of problems. So let's discuss the next question, which is question number 2. Now the question says that What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide would be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that would be required for stitching a margin and wastage is approximately 20 centimeters. So it's very interesting question. So please watch this question very carefully, and we need to use the value of pi as 3.14, right? Now, so first of all, we need to draw a cone like this. So let's say we have a cone, and this is the radius, this is the height, and this is the slant height, right? Now, the length of, first of all, we need to write what is given. So length of tarpaulin is 3 meter wide, right? It's given, and we need to find the length, right? Because the tarpaulin will be in a rectangular shape. Let's say this is 3 meter, and suppose we need to find the length, right? So let's see how we can do this. And the conical height is given 8 meters, and radius is given 6 meters. Again, slant height is not given, so we need to find, right? So we again can use a Pythagoras theorem. So it can be L square equals to R square plus H square. So L square will be, R will be 6 square plus H will be 8 square. So L square will be 36 plus 64. So L square will be 100. So L will be under root 100, which is 10 meters. So this is the slant height, right? Now we need to find the curved surface area of a cone. Why? Because we need a tarpaulin to make a conical tent, and for conical tent we need not to cover it with the base, so we need only curved surface area, right? So we can say that curved surface area of cone is pi RL, right? So it will be 3.14 times R is 6 and L is 10, right? So when we solve this, it will come out to be 188.4 centimeter square. Now, this curved surface area of a cone should be equal to the area of the tarpaulin required. So we can say that the curved surface area of cone should be equals to area of tarpaulin required, right? So curved surface area here is 188.4 equals to area of tarpaulin. So it will be length into breadth. We are given with the breadth, so we can put the value. So it will be 188.4 equals to length into breadth is 3. So we can get length as 188.4 divided by 3. So we need to divide 188.4 divided by 3. So the answer will come out to be 62.8 centimeter, right? Now in the question it's given that we need to consider an extra length of approx 20 centimeter, right? So it's given 20 centimeter. So we need to convert into meters. So it will be 0.6 meter square. Now, so this means total length required will be 62.8 plus 0.2, so which will be 63 meters. So this is how we can use the concepts of cone and surface area of cone to solve various and any type of problems. So let's discuss the next question, question number 3, and which is also the last question of this video. Now it's given that the slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. We need to find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of 210 per 100 meter square. So let's say how we can do this question. Now let's say this is a cone, right? And this is a radius R, and this is the height H, and this is a slant height L, right? Now it's given that slant height is 25 meter and diameter is 14 meter. So this means radius is 14 by 2, which is 7 meter, right? So we need to find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area, right? So we need to find the curved surface area of a cone. So we can say that the curved surface area of cone is pi RL. So this will be pi RL. Now pi value is not given, so we can take it as 22 by 7. So it is 22 by 7 into R is 7 and slant height is 25. So this and this will cancel. So this will come out to be 22 times 25 meter square, right? Now the next part is we need to find the cost of whitewashing at 210 per 100 meter square. So we can write cost of whitewashing at 210 rupees per 100 meter square, or we can say that 210 divided by 100, so it will come out to be 2.1 per meter square, right? So we can say that cost of whitewashing will be 2.1 times 22 times 25, right? So let's see what the answer comes out to be. Now we need to do 22 times 25 times 2.1. So this will be 1155 rupees, right? So this is how we can use the concepts of cone, surface area of cone, to solve various types of questions, which are very important from the exam point of view. So thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. Keep watching further videos. Have a nice day.